Dr. Amanwa, Director of Health Service, and Yakat Santari Unailur Aja Arpo, Ulapinte Bradan Saway Bakhlad no COVID-19 Hagajala, Uniu Brew Bakhlad Mintakasngi, Udebra Tepkerten Gopal Chandra Bagdas, and Repinos Namkarta, Ubana Jhalupara. Dr. Warlay to Bayo New Rangbah Lawan Kit Sheshalong Civil Hospital, Minaka Arterik Mataubanai, but Hadin Balates you COVID Lala Bolong positive. Uniu Rangbah Udan Ruki Wiki Jingstam, but Ula no and Yakat Santari Unailur, Hakapor Lai Arpusan Minsingi.
The name of the patient is Gopal Chandra Bagdas, 67 years of age, male. His address as given is 28 JB Cantonment, address 28 JB Cantonment, Hajan Vivar Store, near Vivar Store, Jhalupara. He was admitted in Civil Hospital Shillong on 12 September 2020 and tested positive on the same day of admission. He is a case of type 2 diabetes mellitus with hypertension. His condition deteriorated and he passed away on 15th of September 2020 at 3:25 p.m. That is today. The cause of death is severe ARDS, acute respiratory distress syndrome, due to COVID-19 pneumonia. He passed away today, the 15th of September 2020 at 3:25 p.m.